Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine. I am M. Saira, geography teacher of class 8th. I am here to deliver some lecture of geography. So let's start our lecture. Open your books, unit number 6, natural regions. So dear students, first of all, we should know what is region. A region is an area of the earth surface with one or more common features or characteristics that give it an identity. So dear students, here we discuss some major regions of the earth. The major regions of the earth have divided into three parts. These are tropical, temperate, cold or polar regions. Tropical regions, they are land between 30 degree north and 30 degree south are odd with little difference in temperature during the year. It include much part of Arabian countries, North Africa and little bit of Multan areas are included tropical region. Next one is temperate region. The land between 30 degree north to 60 degree north and 30 degree south to 60 degree south are included in moderate temperate climate. Most part of USA, European countries, China and Japan are included in this temperate region. And the third major region is cold region or polar region. Area of the world behind 60 degree north and 60 degree south are included in this region. These regions experience very cold temperature all around the year. Much of the Canada, Russia, Greenland and continent of Antarctica are included in this part of the world. So dear students, due to different temperature condition of climate, these areas have different climatic condition, vegetation, food, occupation and other ways of living. Now we'll discuss major natural regions. We have 12 to 14 major natural regions on the surface of the earth, but here we discuss some of them. So let's start. First of all, tropical rainforest region. The tropical rainforest region include the land of South America. Amazon basin means Brazil, Kenya, Africa, island of Sumatra, Java, Indonesia and Malaysia. These areas are included in tropical rainforest regions has unique climatic features. These areas gets 12 odd days and 12 odd nights and there is a little concept of seasons. Next region is monsoon region. The area of Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar and part of Vietnam and China in Asia, these areas are included in monsoon region. In these areas, summer month is very hot and mostly winter month is cold. Temperature is much variation in different parts of the monsoon region. In the month of May, day temperature is increased and in the month of January, day temperature is as low as 10 degree centigrade. Monsoon region is also known for heavy rainfall. The next region is tropical desert region. The area covered between 20 degree north to 30 degree north and 20 degree south to 30 degree south are covered in these areas. Temperature of tropical desert area is very hot and dry. Now the dear student, next region is the Mediterranean region. The Mediterranean region is found on the western margin of the continent, roughly from 30 degree to 40 degree both in north and south of the equator. Important lands are southern part of Spain, France, Italy, Greece, western part of USA, Turkey, north coast of Africa are included in these areas. Mediterranean region have experienced different type of climate. It has two type of climate, mild winter with rains and warm summer with no rain. The next region is steppe region. Steppe region is a grassy region spread in a cooler part of the continent. It spread from Black Sea to the western part of Mongolia and in the east it's spread in America from foothills of the Rocky Mountains to the Great Lake on two sides of USA-Canada border. The steppe region have experienced hot summer and very cold winter temperature. So dear students, and the last region is the tundra region. The region we study now is a typical part of the earth popularly known as tundra. It lies within the Arctic Circle along the shore of the Arctic Ocean. The climatic conditions of the tundra region are very severe with extreme cold. Temperatures in the tundra region remain below freezing point for over 6 months. That's all for today. Hope you understand. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.